Hi Poonam, how are you doing?
Hello, ma'am. I'm good. How are you?
I'm great. Do you
Oh,
know
nice.
what I'm going to teach today?
Oh, what are you going to teach me today?
I'm going to teach two interesting sounds. One
Oh,
is
sounds
yeah. One is
okay.
and another one is uh,
What
uh.
are the difference between
You mean to ask the difference?
the two sounds?
Yeah, one is uh
Hmm.
uh. You can
Okay.
hear the sound if you put your fingers here uh. And
Uh,
another one is
ah,
uh uh
uh, ah,
uh uh uh
uh.
uh. If you read the
Oh, yeah, ma'am.
yeah,
Complete.
it's interesting,
Yeah,
right? See,
yeah.
if you read the title here, a butter girl with a bird again. A butter girl with a bird again. See,
What are the
observe the pronunciation. A, butter,
uh,
butter,
but
girl, girl, girl with a bird,
but
bird
but but
again, again,
again.
again.
Oh,
See, this is the shape is like inverted E. Okay,
yeah.
this is a symbol for this. Its name is Shva.
Oh,
Shva.
wow. Okay.
It will be the shape will be like inverted E. That is a symbol of Shva. That is a weak vowel. So we
Oh,
don't say again. We should not say again. We have to say again, again.
again.
That R should be weak. You should be weakened.
Okay.
Almost we have to swallow it again,
Mhm.
again, again.
Again,
Yeah.
again.
In the word butter, you should not articulate the sound ra at the end.
Okay,
Butter,
but
butter, butter.
but but
Yes, butter.
yeah.
The ra sound should not be articulated at the end of the word. Father, mother, brother, butter, bitter, like that.
Okay,
See, I have given phonics transcription here. Phonic
okay,
transcription for butter. See, R sound at the
okay.
end. We can't see the
Yeah,
ra sound. So you should not articulate the ra sound. So we have to end with butter, butter.
but
For correct
but
pronunciation, you have to say butter,
but
butter.
but
Then if you see here, see girl,
yeah. Girl,
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 girl. You can feel
girl,
that sound. Girl, girl.
girl,
Then
girl,
bird, bird,
bird, bird,
bird.
bird.
Again, see and this is a
Again,
stress mark for the second syllable. Disyllabic
okay.
word. Again, two syllables.
Mm.
Again. Stress is
Uh,
on the second syllable. You know that this stroke indicates the stress.
oh, okay.
This stroke indicates the stress for second syllable. And the first syllable is shwa, weak sound.
Okay.
Again,
Okay.
again. The stress will be on the second syllable. Again, again. Got it? Did you
Okay.
understand?
Yeah.
Now, I'll read the examples. You listen carefully.
Okay.
Okay. See, again. I marked with
Uh,
red color.
yeah.
Again. An-
Again.
another. Another.
Another.
Another. Another.
Another.
Annoy. 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 See? Annoy.
Yeah.
Say annoy. 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 Annoy.
Another.
Got it? Annoy. And here, see the letter O. The letter O
Oh,
is there here, Poonam. See, this
yeah.
O, though there is, we should not say original. We
Okay.
should not say original. Many people will say, non-native speakers of English will say original. It is not original. It is original. 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 Original.
Original. Okay.
Very interesting, right?
Definitely.
China. See?
China.
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 China. China.
China. China.
Actor. Actor.
Actor.
Not actor. That ra sound should not be there. Actor.
Oh, actor.
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 And this is very interesting, this sound. See?
Decent.
Decent.
Okay.
Decent. Not decent.
Okay.
Decent. Long E. Decent. Decent.
Decent.
She is a very decent girl. You are a very decent student. Decent.
Decent.
You know, decent. And this, we can read this. Now, try. Try.
Right.
Arrive. Very good. Arrive. Arrive.
Right.
Arrive. And then this is again O. It gives the sound of shwa. Famous.
Famous.
Famous. Famous.
Famous.
And famous. And then here, this is machine. 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 And this is machine. And this is, see, police.
Police.
Not police. We say police. Many people will say police, police. It is not police. It is
Okay.
police.
Police. Okay.
Police. How should be aspirated? Police. Police. Police.
Police.
And this is banana. Banana. Do you like bananas? Yes. Puna,
Yes.
do you love banana? Banana.
Oh, I love banana.
I too. Me too.
Oh.
We have to say, me too. I too is wrong. Me too.
Me too.
And this is a. This is a. This is a. See, it is a central sound. About. 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 And this is, read this.
Photograph.
Wrong. This is photography. Photography. Say
Photography.
photography. Photography. Photography. Photography. Photography. Photography. Submit. Submit. Submit.
Submit.
Tiger. Tiger.
Tiger.
Nice. Here, if you see the page, if you see this here, in the word America, see the first and the last A sound. Here one A is there, another A, two A's letters. And they, both of them should be pronounced as A. Shwa. America. America.
America.
And in this word, ITM, this is ITM. This E should be pronounced as A. Item. 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 And the O in already explained, that is police. And the sound between in the word rhythm, see the TH and M. Between TH and M, we have to say rhythm. We'll give the sound of A. Between TH and M in the word RHYTHM. How to pronounce it? It should be pronounced as rhythm. 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 Very good. Then you see low, allow, allow, allow. Rise, rise, arise, arise, arise. Dress, address, dress, address. Read, rest, arrest, rest, arrest. Police, police, police. Go,
police,
go,
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 ago,
go,
ago.
ago,
Range, range,
range,
arrange,
arrange,
arrange, arrange.
arrange,
Maze, amaze,
maze,
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 amaze, amaze. So say it again. Repeat after me. Say it again. Say it again.
okay,
Say it again.
say it again.
Read them. Read this.
The famous actor,
The famous actor. The
the
famous actor. Then
police arrived,
the police arrived.
arri-
The
the police
police arrived.
arrived,
I want
and another
another. I want another banana. I want another banana.
banana.
My sewing machine is made in China.
My sewing machine is made in China.
Excellent.
Mhm.
Now the second sound here. See,
Tongue
some
with
tongue
this.
twister with the sounds. Shwa. See, a little bit of butter in the batter made the batter better.
Oh, nice. A
Can you try
little bit
it? A little
lit
bit of butter.
in the batter made the batter better.
Very good. A little bit of butter in the batter made the batter better. And another one is very interesting, lovely tongue twister. This is, see, Betty
Oh,
bought some butter. The butter was bitter. Betty bought some better butter to make the bitter butter better butter.
oh, so amazing.
Yeah, you have to practice it like this. See, Betty bought some
That,
butter. The butter was bitter. Betty bought some better butter to make the bitter butter better butter.
oh, great. Betty bought some butter. The butter was bitter, so Betty bought some butter to make the bitter butter better butter.
Nice, very good. The clever shepherd never fed the leopard, not
Okay, the
leopard.
never
Le-
fed the
leopard, leopard. The
lap,
clever shepherd never fed the leopard.
the lap.
In September, remember to wear a sweater.
September, remember to wear a sweater.
See here, 11 benevolent elephants. 11 benevolent
Benevolent.
elephants.
Okay, 11
11
benevolent.
benevolent elephants. And the next sound is uh, uh,
Uh, and
an
early
early
bird.
bird
Okay.
catches the worm. The early bird catches the worm. It is an idiomatic phrase.
Oh,
Idiom actually. The person who comes will get an opportunity. That is the meaning. An early bird catches the worm.
wow,
That's the
yeah.
meaning. Idiom.
Okay.
So this R sound already I told you that in girl and bird. So it will occur. It will be in the spellings with the see IR. If there is IR in the word, like bird. If it is OR, work. In your turn.
Uh,
And OUR, journey.
uh, um,
Okay. ER, verb. Like that. So the sounds IR, OR, UR, ER,
yeah.
and OUR. They'll give the sound of
Okay.
uh, uh. So here, bird. Read them.
Bird,
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 circle,
the circle,
birthday.
birthday,
We have to say birthday,
bird,
birthday,
birthday,
circle, birthday.
bird,
Then work, 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 WRK, work. I want to work 2 more hours. Work,
oh,
worst, worst. Repeat after me. See, work, worst,
worst,
world,
world,
turn,
turn,
Thursday,
Thursday,
work,
work,
dessert,
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 service,
service,
not service, service,
service.
service, like
Okay.
in the bird, service,
Service.
journey, journey.
Journey. Journey.
Here examples. I take the journey with Sunny. I take the journey. I take the
Sunny.
journey with Sunny.
Sunny. Hmm.
Learn the verbs properly. Learn the
Learn
verbs
proper.
properly. Learn the verbs
Prop.
properly. Properly. Learn the verb. See, verb properly. And here some tongue twisters I have given. I think you can enjoy.
Okay.
The first bird heard the nerd and spread the word. Read.
The first bird heard the nerd and spread the word.
Nice. This is Shaila's. Shaila is sure. That is, this is contraction. Shaila is sure to share her purple t-shirt, her
Yeah.
purple shirt, her purple skirt, whatever it is.
Okay. Stella sure to share her purple shirt.
Yeah. Then Fern learn to turn her words with concern.
Fawn learned to turn her words with concern.
With concern.
With concern.
Next. Hey, park. Hey, park your car at the park. Hey, telling somebody. Hey,
Yeah.
park your
Hey,
car at the park. Don't park here.
hey, park your car at the park.
Then a warm walks to the work.
What?
A
A warm,
warm walks to the work. See this. What's the difference between this and this?
warm, warm,
This is
warm,
warmth. This is warmth.
warm. Then
And this
warm.
is a regular warm.
Hmm.
A warm walks to work.
October.
The first birds I heard were the blue-billed birds. Blue-billed birds. Read.
The first birds I heard were the blue-billed birds.
Not were. The first birds I heard were the blue-billed birds.
The first birds I heard were the blue-billed birds.
Larry Hurley, a burly squirrel, hurler, hurled a furry squirrel through a curly grill. Try it. Larry Hurley, a
The
burly squirrel hurler.
hurled a furry squirrel
Hmm.
through a curly grill.
Curly grill.
Grill. A
Not
curly
throw.
grill.
Not throw.
Oh,
Through. It is through.
okay. True. Larry Hurley, a burly squirrel hurled a furry squirrel through a curly grill.
Nice. Sure, sir. The ship is sure. Ship shape, sir.
Oh, sure, sir. The ship shaped, sir.
Ship shape means perfect. Perfect.
Mm.
Okay. I hope you have enjoyed all the tongue twisters and you have to
Yeah,
practice. And if you
yeah,
use the practice your tongue twisters, you can develop fluency and correct pronunciation.
oh,
Did you enjoy the class?
yeah, definitely. I enjoyed the class.
Nice. So we shall meet with another interesting sounds in the next class. Till
Oh,
then, bye.
bye. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.